After weeks of speculation and 11th-hour negotiations, Singapore's takeover bid for the Australian Stock Exchange has been scuttled. The federal government officially killed the $8 billion deal, calling it bad for jobs and not in the national interest. The opposition says the decision process has been bungled and accused the government of ruining the country's international reputation. Here's ABC reporter Simon Palin.
Thanks, but no thanks. The federal government says it's the first major foreign investment proposal to be knocked back in 10 years.
It's not the right deal for Australia if we want to ensure the strength and stability of our financial system.
The proposed $8 billion tie-up between the Australian and Singapore stock exchanges has been deemed not in the national interest.
The proposed takeover would risk seeing jobs and capital move to Singapore, and I'm not going to stand by and let that happen.
The federal opposition didn't criticise the final decision, but Joe Hockey says the steady flow of leaks in the lead-up to it must be explained.
This has been a bungled process. Wayne Swan has turned Australia's international reputation into that of a third world country.
This was a transaction which was always going to get blocked at the political level.
The Treasurer says the deal would have made the ASX the junior partner and that he saw no clear evidence it would give locally listed companies better access to Asian capital markets.
And obviously we have some disappointment, but the umpire has spoken and we respect that.
For its part, the ASX says it remains focused in joining the stock exchange consolidation sweeping the globe.
We want to look outside the borders and we believe that there are many people who may want to do things with us.
Some analysts say the decision to block the merger could damage Australia's financial reputation in Asia and that it could make it harder for Australia to attract foreign investment. But others reject that view, saying much better global opportunities remain open for the ASX.
If the ASX could be part of one of the 2 or 3 major groupings that will emerge, and they will be centred on New York and on Toronto and NASDAQ, I think that would be, from a public policy perspective, a very good outcome and would be much more likely to be welcomed in Canberra.
The Treasurer says Australia remains open to offers from other exchanges. Simon Palin, ABC News.